employee management system. In short, we can also call it as EMS. Okay. The EMS is a web-based application. I can say web-based application designed to efficiently spelling mistake. Efficiently manages employees data within an organization. Next, it allows administrator to, I can say administrator in the sense admin, okay, to handle employee records, I can say enable operations such as adding, viewing, deleting, updating. In short, we can also call it as CRUD operations. Updating employee information. Clear, guys? I hope it's clear as of now. Next. Okay, let's all dive in the project now. Roles, I can say roles in this project or roles, no issue. Let me take this point again. Bullet points. I can say first, instead of I can say first role is my admin. Okay. What are the permissions, or else what are the operations we will discuss now? I can say instead of my issue, like this will proceed. Okay. Can view, add, update, and delete the records. Records in the sense employee records. Okay. Next, can retrieve employees data and manages it via the system. Clear? Next, admin has full access to all employees data and actions. Clear, guys? Clear? Next, I can say next role is my employee. I can say I can say employer can also have some permissions. Okay, can also have some permissions. We'll see what are those permissions. Next, I can say he or she can view his own profile. I can say can view only their profile, or can only their own profile. Okay, only view. I'm saying only view. Okay. Next, I can say his profile. Okay, only his profile, nothing else. Next, he cannot add or update. Like he cannot update. He cannot add anything. Only he can see the data. Clear, everyone? instead of can we do like this? We can't add another other faculties. I can say like this: cannot add, update, or delete any data. Admin has its control. This control. Clear, guys? So these are the operations I'm going to do, and will if any other operations are required, will directly involve in this project while doing backend everything at front end. Okay, if any operations if we want to add, if we want to do, we'll add it during the process. No, nothing issue. Okay, this is just introduction part. Like I'm saying, what are the overview and what we are going to do in this project. That's it and thing. Okay, now what are the tech stack we are like? I can say what are the technology stack or tech stack we are going to use. Uh, I can say a tech stack or technology stack. Okay, I can say we are going to use Spring Boot backend, React.js frontend, database, MySQL. Clear, everyone? Clear? Next, we'll test after building our backend. We'll test our entire backend using Postman. Later on, we'll try to go with what we can say. We'll try to go with another. No. We'll go with the front end part. Okay. After completing our front end part efficiently, we'll test the application and we'll deploy the application. Clear, everyone? So in this way, we are going to do our projects, and any project can be done like this only. Not only EMS, we can also do any project. But I choose this project because to complete this project in a efficient way, in a beginner friendly also. Clear, everyone? Clear? Next, let me open my IDE now. Let this ID open. And after opening, before opening, we'll go with, I can say, I can also give some workflow of this project, how it is going to be done. Workflow of this project. I can say first what is going to do. Admin logs in. Clear? Admin logs in. What after admin logs in? Admin authenticates. And if you implement, like we need to implement uh, authentication also. Who is going to log in? If you, is admin or faculty or any employee? Based on login, we are going to redirect him to the what can say is admin homepage and all everything. We need to implement authentication like Spring Security and all. So with this, we'll also complete this process also. No issue. After employee admin login, he's going to add some employees. He's going to view the employees. He's going to update the employee. He's going to delete the employee. Okay, every leave, if any employee wants to apply for any leave or for any permissions and all, if we are going to add those permissions, update, accepted or not, rejected or not, everything is going to added by the employee. No issue. We'll perform like this also. No issue. Okay. So some additional features can we implement like role-based access and all, authentication and authorization, and search functionality, filter functionality. Anything can be done. Okay, everything can be done. No issue. We'll go with, but while continue while doing a project. Okay, so let me start. So don't ever try to disturb the existing workspace. Okay. I I So please do select this project workspace and click on select folder. So it is going to be highlighted like this. So please click on launch now. Everything got created. So let me, why is that thing? Wait a second, guys. Let me change my theme. Let me restart my ID. On launch. Okay, no issue. So before proceeding, so let me create one Spring Startup project. Okay. So proceed with creating a Spring Boot project now. Go with your project name as Employee Management System. Employee Management System. Clear? Maven. Packaging jar or var, anything, nothing will happen. You can also go with jar. You can also go with var. So no issue. You can go with any file, any packaging file. Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, any packaging file. But I can say I recommend everyone to use jar file instead of var file. You can use any var file. Okay, no issue. You can use any type of packaging like jar file or var file. Nothing will happen. Okay. I can say for Spring Boot, I will recommend jar file only because we are not, where we are going to perform JSP and all everything. Only for best architectures and all, for best microservices and everything. But I recommend for those kind of things also recommend only jar file. Okay, jar file is only preferred for Spring Boot in order to complete only backend, like only REST API endpoints and everything. We are not going to perform any front end part in this project. We are going to perform the front end part separately using React.js framework. Okay, clear everyone? React.js library. Clear everyone? Okay, next. I recommend everyone to use Java jar file only. Why? Because like it comes with an embedded server like Tomcat or Jetty. So we don't need to deploy it in any external server. Clear everyone? And we can also easy to while we selecting jar file, so it is easy to run. We can use like simply you can use like Java -a jar everything. Like it is also easy, light and weight and fast for deployment and production and everything. And I can say this is the only popular choice. If you are selecting instead of var, we can select jar, because by selecting jar, it is a popular choice. Like I can say it's a popular choice for the microservices and cloud deployments. Example, we can deploy in our AWS or Heroku or any other websites. Clear everyone? Next. So version 21 language Java. I can say my group ID called as com dot klef dot fsad dot sdp. Clear everyone? Com dot klef dot fsad dot sdp. Artifact ID is also common as the project name. No issue. I can say employee. I am first for the first time. Giving the description for my project. Employee management system. Employee management system backend project. Backend project. Clear? Next. Instead of convert like same, click on next now. Click on next. So I need to add my dependencies now. Okay, I need to add my dependencies. What dependencies I need to add now? So Spring Web, first dependency I'm going to add is Spring Web. Okay, search for it. It is going to happen. First option selected. Next. Spring Boot Dev. Spring Boot Dev Tools. Done. I need to add MySQL also. Done. I need to add Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA. Done. I need to add Lombok also. Done. Any other dependency did I forgot? Okay, Java mail sending. We can also send mails, right? Okay, Java mail sender. Done. If I forgot any dependency, we'll add after creation of a project also, no need. So let me create next. Click on finish now. So meanwhile, my project is getting created. I recommend everyone to focus on the concept which I'm discussing. Okay. So my project got created successfully. It is still creating, no issue. Let it be. It will done in a few seconds and all. It is initializing, no issue. Spring Boot language servers. Done. So let me go with the project now. See, my project structure is common. Let me go to application.properties. Wait a second. I think auto save and all is not turned on. Please enable auto save. Let me go back to XML. Please turn on this option also, XML while web developer. Download external resources like DTD and XTD and apply. Done. Let me change my theme. Here. Server dot port is equal to 2027. Clear? Next. Let me write one thing. Let me write one base code here. System.out.println. Employee management. So let me run this project now. Okay, I will get an error because I didn't add any database properties, right? I need to add the properties like database properties, everything to my project, to application.properties in order to run my project. Anyway, I'm going to get an error. So I want to show the error also. Like it is asking me to give database settings and everything. So I don't want to waste my time. So let me bring back, bring from my previous projects. Wait a second. Copy this. Okay. Go back to application.properties, enter. So come back here. And no need of these comments and all. I can say my comments I have explained clearly with clear. Will remove. I'll create some other database here. Okay. These are the configuration settings for the email purpose. Okay. For the email sending purpose, these are the configuration. No, for that purpose also no need for, but in future we need to add. So I have just added now itself. No issue. Okay. So let me rerun my project now. Spring Boot tab. Project is running perfect. So let me continue with my project folders creation and everything, and we'll go with the entity creation of entity classes and writing the code, everything and all. Okay. So before starting the process, let me stop the server because I'm going to create the entity classes and everything. Because before creating any entity class, the tables is getting created while your server is running. So I recommend everyone to stop your server because whenever we use at the rate table, at the rate entity and everything and all, the table is getting created every time the server reloaded. So you're going to get duplicate values, more number of values in the table itself. So I recommend everyone to stop the server before proceeding. So uh, after stopping the server, please come back to the main folder, asasi/main/java, and please right click on com.klef.fsad and go to new, go to package dot models model. I can say model. Okay. Next, I can say go to new again, go to package again, dot controller. Next, I can say again go to package dot services. Again, right click on it, go to package dot repository. Clear everyone? So we'll go with each and every process. First of all, let me create admin.java. Let me create admin.java. Okay. So I can say what we are going to maintain. Okay. So let me create one private ID, private int ID, private string username, private string password, I can say string password. I can also give email, no issue. We can also give email. Okay. Email. For email, okay. For admin, we are not going to maintain any forms and all. Admin can directly register into the application. So we'll add the admin data manually into the using command client into the database. So before proceeding, let me create two string methods and getters and setters as well. Go to source, go to getters, generate getters and setters, and go to click select all. Go to after last member or after email. Nothing will happen. Both are same. My getter setters are got created successfully, so no issue. Next, again right click on it. Go to source. Go to generate to string method. Already by default all the options will get selected. Click on generate. So no issue done. As of now, no notes, right? So let me use one annotation now at the rate entity next at the rate table. I can name my table as admin underscore table, admin underscore table. Clear, everyone? Clear. So next, I can say, I can say, I will maintain ID as my primary key, and it is an auto-generated value. It is a auto-generated value. I can say auto-generated value again. Strategy is equal to again. I can say identity. Identity. Done. My ID is auto-generated value. I'm not going to give my ID. No issue. Done. So next, let me go to I can say username. Now username. Username can be column. Uh, no issue. Leave like that. No any change. No changes in everything. Column nullable is equal to false. It is okay. It's fine. Okay. And username should be unique, guys. Username should be unique. So true. Again, use the same thing for the email also. Why? Because if you forgot to give email, can any person can also give. Remove unique is equal to true for the password, because if you give unique is equal to password, the person which is going to enter into your database in your application, he has to create a unique password for every time. So this is my structure for the admin underscore admin.java. So let me go back to models again. Go to click on new. Go to class. Now do create with employee. Employee. Done. Okay. We'll create another class employee. Employee. Okay. Done. Okay. Employee. We'll go with the private long ID. Private. I can say sorry. Private long ID. Private string name. Private string gender. Private double age or else int age. Private string designation. Private string. I can say if you want to give department, you can also give department, testing department, or like anything. Designation department. I can say double salary. Double salary. Okay, if an employee want to apply any leaves and all, if any employee want to apply any leave, we will also try to manage this also here. List of we didn't created any list.java leave.java, right? So let me create another model also, leave.java, leave.java and duty.java. Like I can say not a normal duty, like any work.java. Okay. If any work was assigned to that employee, that will be added by the admin to the employee. So everything will be fine. Okay. Okay. Let me Go back here. Leave. I will try. I can say list of leaves. List of leaves like leave. So I can say it is also leaves. Leave done. Private. I can also say duty or else any other thing. Okay, let me add a like, manager also can we add? But okay, no need of third role and everything because I don't want to extend this project to next level employee management system. Okay, if we want to add employee or else many manager also we can add. Okay, so let me add manager also. It's like fine. Okay, we'll add manager also. Don't worry. List of duties, duty, duty. Done. Done. Uh, one person can do many. Can one person can apply for many leaves? So one to many, one to many, mapped by employee cascade is equal to type all. Done. One employee can do many duties. So again, one to many. Again, mapped by. I can say mapped by again employee. Again, cascade is equal to cascade depth dot all. Again done. So let me go back here at the rate entity at the rate table. My table name will be employee underscore details or else employee underscore table. Anything is okay, fine. Next, let me give ID also. For okay, forward. This time ID will be random auto generated. No auto like no auto generated will give random ID, random 4-digit ID. Clear everyone? Random 4-digit ID. So don't give any auto generated value for employee. We'll give random 4-digit or 3-digit or 5-digit number. Okay. So again at the rate column, I can say I think no need. I can copy it right. Okay. Name. Okay. Remove unique. No issue, guys. I want to name this table. Like I can name it like employee underscore name. I guess emp underscore name. Clear. So let me copy this line of thing again. Emp underscore gender. Done. Again emp underscore age. Done. Emp underscore designation. Emp underscore dept. I can say emp underscore salary. I forgot to add one thing. Like okay, email. Private string email. Private string password. So we need to create one account for the this person also, right? So private string instead of email. So let us all try to give username. It's okay. We'll use email also, no issue. Private string username also done. We can give. We can also say using his ID he can log in. But I don't recommend using ID and you log in and everything and all. Okay. So let me copy this line. Username should be unique. True case. Again, emp underscore username. Sorry. Again, copy. Email. Email also should be unique. Done. EMP underscore email. Again done. Password. It should not be unique. Password is enough. I forgot to take phone number also. So let us all try to take phone number also. Private string contact. Let me give contact. Let me give unique also because phone numbers also should be unique, right? Done. So let me generate getters and setters and as well. Generate, go to source. Again, go to generate and setters and getters. Select all. Last member. Done. Again, go to getter source. Again, go to generate toString. Generate. Done. I'm done with my employee.java class also. Why I have created leave and duty because if any employee want to apply for any leave, so he can apply to leave. That leave is accepted or rejected will be shown to this employee, and that acceptance and rejectance will be taken. That action should be taken by the admin only. Done. Or we can also say instead of like this, we can also create another model class manager. So admin can add manager, admin can add employees also, but admin won't add employees. Manager will add employees. Manager will add employees. So if anything, if a manager will add employees, manager will assign duty to employee. If any employee want to assign, like take any leave, he will fill out that leave form and he will appeal for the leave. That application, that leave status can be accepted by admin and both manager. So that leave status can be visible to the employee, accepted or rejected, like this. Okay, so many functions are we are implementing here, search function and filter function, everything, no issue. So for that apply, if any duty is assigned to that particular employee will be visible here. Leave, say like leave.java is nothing but if any employee want to apply for any leave, he can apply. So list of leaves can be applied. So everything like this. Clear, everyone? Clear? I can say the updated operations in employee management system. One is admin, common, no issue. I can say admin can add both employees and manager, but he won't add employees. Only he will perform CRUD operations on manager. Done. Next, manager is able to create only employees. Done. Creation of manager done by admin, creation of employee done by manager. Done. Employee is not able to perform any CRUD. He's only able to see his duties and he's going to apply any leave and he's going to search for other employees. He's going to view his profile, log out. That's it. For manager, performing CRUD operations on employee, admin is going to assign manager duties to manager. Manager is going to assign employee duties to employee. Like this. In this way, we're going to perform. So will any updated changes will also update this employee.java. So for now, let me create manager. For now, let me create manager.java. Okay. So let me go back, continue here. Private long ID, private string name, private string email. Private string password, private string department. Done. I can also say private string contact. Done. Let me go with this. Private list of employees can be created. private list of employees can be created. So employees, private duties can be assigned, private list of duties. I can say duties assigned, done. Uh, I can say employees are going to mapped by the employees can be going to mapped by manager. I can say one too many, one manager can add many more employees. So many more employees can be under one manager. Clear everyone? One manager can add many more employees. Many more employees can be under one manager. So mapped by manager, cascade is equal to cascade dot all. Done. Done. Again map like I can say, wait a second. I can say instead of completing this class, I need to complete this duty class also. Okay. I'm yet to complete this duty class because I need to assign mapped by which field I need to map it by. I need to complete here. So we need to complete this manager also. Before completing this manager, let me okay. I will complete with the getters and setters first. I'll complete later on this leave class. After completing leave class, we'll try to leave on duty. After completing leave on duty, we'll come back to manager everything. Okay. Entity. This okay. Let me say one thing. This manager is still incomplete. So I will come again in this class. So before moving to next class, let me complete this basic procedure. Manager underscore table. The red ID. Done. Column. I can say manager underscore name. Copy this. For everyone, will try to provide username, guys. For everyone, will try to provide username. Private string username. Okay, private string username should be unique, guys. It should be unique to email manager underscore email. Let me name it as a unique to done. Unique to done. Email. I think it is not name. It is password. Password is not unique. No issue. It is not name. It is again DEPT. It is not contact. It is okay. Done. It should be unique. I forgot to maintain password. Okay. Unique password common. Username, email, contact should be unique. Done. So let me create getters and setters. So go to source, generate getters and setters as well. Select all, generate. Again go to source, again generate toString. Again click on last member. Yeah. Done. So this manager still is incomplete because I need to say who's to whom is assigned and everything. So let me complete leave.java first. Okay. Later on we'll come to the manager again. Don't worry. Okay. So let me complete the leave.java now. Okay. Private private int id, private when let me say on which date it was started, on which date it is going to done. Clear everyone? He is going to apply leave. So on which date he is going to apply the leave, from which date? So on up to which date he is going to take the leave. So again, local date, I can say end date. Okay, next. I can say says string reason, private status. Like status is nothing but accepted or rejected or pending. It is going to be visible by the, I can say by the admin or employee. So the leave is going to be applied by employee. Leave is going to be applied by employee. Again, one to many or many to one is quite common, but I can say we are going to see many employees can apply. Many employees are going to apply the leaves, guys. Many employees are going to apply for the leave. So many to one. Clear everyone? Many employees are going to apply one leave. So any leave, many to one. So many employees, one leave. Okay. Next. Join column. I can say name is equal to what is the ID I have mentioned in employee.java. Go back to employee.java. Again, come here. So nothing I have mentioned here. So let me mention here column name is equal to employee or else emp underscore ID. So I mentioned emp underscore ID here. So come back to leave.java again. So I'm mentioning here. Clear everyone? So for that employee ID, this leave was created. This leave was generated by this employee. So for this employee ID, I need to assign this leave. So like this, I'm maintaining. So let me complete this at the rate entity, then at the rate table. Again, leave underscore table. I can say this ID can be auto generated, guys. This ID can be auto generated, no issue. Generated value strategy is equal to identity. Done. Again, leave it like this. No need to maintain any separate column names and all. Okay, but it is okay. I think it is common, quite common. So let me use nullable is equal to false. Done, guys. Okay, let me create. Let me go back to this source. Go to generate getters and setters. Select all. Generate. Next. Go to source. Generate to string. Again generate. Done. మనకి క్లియర్ గా ఉంది. అడ్మిన్ లో ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. నో ఇష్యూ. ఇప్పుడు డ్యూటీ కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తే ఎంప్లాయ్ లో కూడా ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు, కానీ చిన్నది యాడ్ చేయాలి. విల్ యాడ్. లీవ్ లో అయితే ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. లీవ్ ఎందుకు చేశాను మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. లీవ్ వాడు అప్లై చేయాలనుకుంటే చేస్తాడు, లేదంటే లేదు, అంతే. మేనేజర్ క్లియర్ గా ఉంది. డ్యూటీ ఒకసారి డ్యూటీ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇంకా మోడల్స్ లో ఇబ్బంది ఏమి ఉండదు. ఓకే, సో లెట్ మీ క్రియేట్. డ్యూటీ అనేది కూడా లాంగ్ ఇచ్చేద్దాం. ప్రైవేట్ లాంగ్ ఐడి, ప్రైవేట్ ఆ డ్యూటీ నేమ్ ఏంటో చెప్పేస్తాడు. ప్రైవేట్ స్ట్రింగ్ టైటిల్, ఆ డ్యూటీలో ఏం చేయాలో డిస్క్రిప్షన్ కూడా ఇద్దాం. వాడికి కొంచెం కొత్త కదా. ప్రైవేట్ స్ట్రింగ్ అంటే చాలే, ఐడి ఏంటి, టైటిల్ ఏంటి, డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఏంటి, ఎలా చేయాలి మనం డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో చెప్పేస్తాం కాబట్టి నో ఇష్యూ. ప్రైవేట్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు గట్టి ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ప్రైవేట్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ డ్యూటీ ఎవరెవరికి అసైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీకి డ్యూటీస్ వెళ్తాయి. సో ఎంప్లాయీ, సో నో ఇష్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ డ్యూటీస్ మేనేజర్ కూడా అసైన్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి ఐ కెన్ సే మేనేజర్కి ఎవరు అసైన్ చేస్తారు, అడ్మిన్. ఎవరు అసైన్ చేస్తారు, అడ్మిన్. అడ్మిన్ మేనేజర్ అసైన్డ్ by manager. Done. Still any doubt? ప్రైవేట్ అడ్మిన్ అంటే ఒకవేళ అడ్మిన్ ద్వారా అసైన్ అయిన కూడా చూద్దాం. అసైన్డ్ బై అడ్మిన్ అంతే. ఈ ఇంత క్లియర్ గా రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి, కాలితే ఎందుకు ఇంత రాస్తున్నాను చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఐడి, టైటిల్, డిస్క్రిప్షన్ వరకు ఎవరికి డౌట్ ఉంటుందండి, క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు మనం చేసేది అందరికి క్లియర్ గా ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు చేసేది ఎందుకంటే చాలా క్లియర్ గా ఉండేందుకు, లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఎంప్లాయ్ అనేది ఏంటి, వై ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ హియర్. సో many to 1 at the rate many to 1 any at the rate join column ఎవరికి emp_id. Done. What is meant by like this? Okay, this indicates that each duty is assigned to one employee. Okay, ఇది ఎందుకు రాశాను, the each duty is assigned to one employee. సో ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడిని అసైన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. డన్. సో మన డ్యూటీ క్లాస్ లో ఇలా ఒక ఫారెన్ కి పెట్టుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ ఫారెన్ కి అంటే ఈ ఎవడు ఇక్కడ, ఈ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి ఈ ఎంప్లాయీ డాట్ జావాలో ప్రైమరీ కీ, ఈ ప్రైమరీ కీని ఈ డ్యూటీ డాట్ జావాలో ఫారెన్ కీగా యూజ్ చేస్తాను. డన్. ఇప్పుడు at the rate many to 1 again at the rate join column again name. Done. ఇప్పుడు నేమ్ ఏంటి, ఓకే, I can say assigned by, సారీ జస్ట్ ఒక నేమ్ పెట్టుకుందాం, అసైన్డ్ బై మేనేజర్. సేమ్ నేమ్ యూజ్ చేసేయండి, ఇబ్బంది ఏమి ఉండదు, జస్ట్ నేమ్. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే లైక్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ, దిస్ మ్యాప్స్ హూ అసైన్డ్ ద డ్యూటీ, ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఏ మేనేజర్. ఎవడు అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాడు ఈ డ్యూటీ, ఎవడు అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాడు వాడి పేరు అంతే, వాడి ఐడి వస్తుంది, అంతకుమించి ఏం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షనల్, పెద్ద ఇబ్బంది ఏమి ఉండదు. నాట్ ఎవ్రీ డ్యూటీ కెన్ బి అసైన్డ్ బై ఏ మేనేజర్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఆల్రెడీ అసైన్డ్ బై అన్ అడ్మిన్. ప్రతి డ్యూటీ మేనేజర్ ఇవ్వాలని రూల్ లేదు. ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ వన్స్ అగైన్, ఒక ఎంప్లాయీకి మేనేజరే డ్యూటీ ఇవ్వాలని ఎక్కడ రూల్ లేదు. if that employee is capable of doing any role, any job or any problem statement, ఒకవేళ ఆ అడ్మిన్ కి ఆ ఎంప్లాయీ నచ్చితే, if that ఆ ఎంప్లాయీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా చేస్తున్నాడు, ఐ నీడ్ దట్ ఎంప్లాయీ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ సమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, సో అడ్మిన్ కూడా అసైన్ చేయొచ్చు. అందుకే నేను అసైన్ బై అడ్మిన్ కూడా పెట్టుకున్నాను. నో ఇష్యూ, అసైన్ బై అడ్మిన్ కూడా. క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? క్లియర్? at the rate many to 1 at the rate join column again name assigned by admin. క్లియర్ గా ఉందా? ఒక డ్యూటీ అనేది కెన్ బి అసైన్డ్ టు ఎంప్లాయ్, ఆ డ్యూటీ మేనేజర్ కి అసైన్ బై మేనేజర్ కి అవ్వచ్చు, అడ్మిన్ అసైన్ బై అడ్మిన్ కూడా అవ్వచ్చు. క్లియర్ గా ఉందా అందరికి? క్లియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్ యాడ్ అవసరం? సో లెట్ మీ కంప్లీట్ దిస్. at the rate entity at the rate table name is equal to duty underscore table So let me use it as a అది అంతసేపు ఉండదు, పాడైపోద్ది. అవును. Generated value again in strategy. I can say identity done. Nullable, sorry, column nullable is equal to false. Title can be not, టైటిల్ అనేది ఒక 250 లోపే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దానికి లెంత్ ఇవ్వకండి, నో ఇష్యూ. కాలం ఇది నల్లబుల్ అవ్వకూడదు, ఫాల్స్. అండ్ లెంత్ కూడా ఎక్కువ ఇవ్వండి, ఎందుకంటే వాడికి ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఎలా చెప్తావు కాబట్టి ఒక 3000. ఓకే, నో ఇష్యూ. సో లెట్ మీ జనరేట్ getters and setters. Generate getters, select all, generate source, go to string, click on last number, done. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ అవ్వంది ఎక్కడ ఉంది? సో అసైన్ బై మేనేజర్ తీసుకురండి సార్, మేనేజర్ క్లాస్కి రండి. మేనేజర్ క్లాస్ లో వన్ టు మెనీ మ్యాప్డ్ బై డ్యూటీస్ అసైన్డ్. ఈ మేనేజర్ కి అసైన్డ్ బై అంటే లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ డ్యూటీస్ అంటే ఏమేమి అసైన్ చేస్తున్నారో తెలియాలి, జస్ట్ అంతే. క్యాస్కాడ్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు క్యాస్కాడ్ డెప్ డాట్ ఆల్. క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? ఎంప్లాయ్ ఓకే ఎంతమందికి? ఇంకొకటి యాడ్ చేద్దాం, మర్చిపోయాను, ఫర్గాట్ టు యాడ్ వన్ థింగ్. అంటే వీడికి అసైన్ చేసింది ఎవడో కూడా తెలియాలి కదా, వీడికి ప్రైవేట్ మేనేజర్ మేనేజ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ @ many to 1 join column name is equal to manager underscore id. అదే ఇచ్చాను నేను, ఇవ్వలేదు ఇక్కడ. నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు okay. So let me copy this manager underscore id, come back to employee.java. ఇప్పుడు employee.java ఎంతమంది క్లియర్ గా ఉంది? ఏం లేదు, ఏం కొత్తగా యాడ్ చేయలేదు. లైక్ I can simply explain leave, list of leaves applied by the employee, list of duties assigned to this employee, and the duty assigned by which manager. అందుకే యాడ్ చేశాను, అంతకు మించి ఏం లేదు. క్లియర్. లీవ్ అనేది కామన్ గా అందరూ ఎంప్లాయీస్ అప్లై చేసుకోవడానికి. ఆ లీవ్ ఎవడ అప్లై చేశారు అని చెప్పేసి ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి మెయింటైన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను ఇక్కడ. డన్. నెక్స్ట్ మేనేజర్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ మేనేజర్ లైక్ ఎంతమంది లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ని యాడ్ చేశాడు దానికోసం దీన్ని. డ్యూటీస్ అసైన్డ్, ఈ మేనేజర్ కి అసైన్ చేసిన డ్యూటీస్ అన్ని అసైన్డ్ బై మేనేజర్. ఈడ ఎంతమందికి అసైన్ చేశాడు, అసైన్ చేసిన ప్రతి డ్యూటీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. డన్. డ్యూటీ డన్, మేనేజర్ డన్, లీవ్ డన్. ఓకే. com.klf.fsad.repository. Please right click on it, go to class, go to interface, admin repository. Done. Extends JPA repository. Should be admin. Go to admin.java once. It's type of integer. So come back to repository again. It should be teaser. I need to import this package again at the rate repository. Done. Next, right click on again com.klab.fsa.stp. Please click on interface, employee repository. Again, same repeat, extends JPA repository, employee and teaser. I think I maintain as a report. Done. I think I have given as a long. I think as a long done. Manager long duty long leave in. For duty is also no need long. It can be type of integer only. Okay, I need to change here. Int. Okay. New again go to interface. Manager repository. Done. Extends JPA repo. Manager. Done. Repository. Let me create new. Go to interface again. Duty repository. Again. Extends JPA repo. Duty. It's type of integer, I think so. So done. At the red repo. Done. One main class is leave repository. Leave repository. Done. Extends JPA repo. I think say leave. It's a type of integer repo. I successfully created repositories also. If any inbuilt method, if I want to create, I will create during services sometime. Okay, no issue. So let me complete this now. I say we can also create some functions. I'll show you how to create some like random functions. Okay, come here, come here. Type of find by find by. Okay, find by. Uh, Find by name. So now find by name. I can say containing ignore case. Containing ignore case. Okay. can say public. It's a basic search functionality ante. Okay, clear. Find by name containing ignore case ante. ఉంటే వస్తుంది లేకపోతే లేదు అంతే, దట్స్ ఇట్. అన్న ఈ నేమ్స్ ఎందుకు రాసావు నువ్వు? నేనేం రాయలేదండి, అక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చాను. మరి తీసుకొచ్చాను చెప్తున్నాను, మళ్ళీ చూడండి. ఎంటీ స్పేస్ లో మళ్ళీ ఫైండ్ బై అని రాయాలి. చూడండి, ఫైండ్ బై అన్నాను. టేక్ థర్డ్ వన్, డన్. మళ్ళీ నేమ్ అని సెర్చ్ చేయండి, వచ్చింది. సారీ, ఫైండ్ బై మళ్ళీ నేమ్ టైప్ చేయండి, వచ్చింది. మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ స్పేస్. ఓకే, నేమ్ ఒక లెటర్, ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ నేమ్ తర్వాత నాకు సెర్చ్ చేసుకుంటావా? ప్రతిదీ ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఫైండ్ బై నేమ్ ఎండింగ్ విత్, స్టార్టింగ్ విత్, అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయండి. నో ఇష్యూ. ఎన్ని ఇన్బిల్ట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇవన్నీ మీరు యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫైండ్ బై నేమ్, సి నియర్ టు లక్ష్మణ స్వామి, లక్ష్మణ, ఈ ఆ వర్డ్, ఆ నేమ్ కి దగ్గరలో ఉన్న నేమ్స్ అన్ని నాకు కావాలి. ఓకే, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఐ కెన్ సే ఆ నేమ్ కి గ్రేటర్ దాన్, ఈ నేమ్ కి ఎక్కువ ఉన్న లెక్సోలాజికల్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఎక్కువ ఉన్న నేమ్స్ నాకు కావాలి అలా. ఓకే, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఫైండ్ బై నేమ్ ఎండింగ్ విత్ వై, ఎండింగ్ విత్ ఆర్ఏ, ఎండింగ్ విత్ ఐ, ఇలా ప్రతిదీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇవన్నీ వద్దు మనకి. సింపుల్ గా నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే కంటైనింగ్ ఫైండ్ బై నేమ్ కంటైనింగ్ ఇగ్నోర్ కేస్, ఫైండ్ బై నేమ్ కంటైనింగ్ ఇగ్నోర్ కేస్. జస్ట్ సర్చ్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ఉంటే వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే లేదు. కంటైనింగ్ ఇగ్నోర్ కేస్, ఇవన్నీ నేను ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసుకున్నవే. ఐ డిడెంట్ టైప్ ద నేమ్ అంతే. క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? నెక్స్ట్. Done. This is a normal function which I have written, so no need, don't worry. Clear everyone? Just a sample function ante, sample function. Okay, ఒక sample custom function ante. Okay, clear? Done. లీవ్ రిపోజిటరీ, ఇంకేమన్నా మనం చేద్దామా లీవ్ రిపోజిటరీలో? No need. We can say public find by find by employee find by employee ID రావాలి కదా. find by employee ID రావట్లేదు, బట్ విల్ టేక్ దిస్ నేమ్ లాంగ్ ఐడి. డోంట్ వరీ, అవసరం లేదు, మనకు కావాల్సినప్పుడు రాసుకుందాం, నో ఇష్యూ. find by name containing like okay done. Admin repository done. So as of now is very much clear, no issue. So let us all try to run this application. While running this application, please make sure that your tables are getting created. If your tables are not getting created, it means you have performed any error and everything and all. Clear? So let me go now. Okay, I forgot to add database. Sorry. Close. I forgot to add database here. Let me add the database. So all my tables got created successfully without any error. Without any error, my tables got created. So no issue. So let me show you the tables. Use space, show tables. My 5 tables got created. DSC, DSC, admin underscore table. DSC nothing but description, admin underscore table, done. Next, DSC, duty underscore table, done. Null is nothing but foreign key. Okay. Null is nothing but foreign key. Foreign key is employee ID is the foreign key and employee ID is the primary key in employee underscore table. That primary key is acting as a foreign key in a duty table. Clear everyone? DSC employee underscore table, done. DSC manager underscore table, DSC leave underscore table. So guys, my 5 tables got created without any error, so no issue. We'll continue this class in next session. In next session, we are going to create a controller. In next 2 sessions, we are going to complete this backend in a clear cut way. Clear everyone? Clear?